It might be time to go. Dude, what the heck is happening out here? Thank God.
Okay then, on a mission, got no time for celebration. In the hills where we just made it out the basement. Don't take advice from nobody I don't hang with. Keep that conversation. Okay then, need respect when you see me, that's on sight. It's a vibe, throwing diamonds in the sky. We alive, some for don't see 25. Pay the price, roll up on a hover bike. We should slide.
I'll be back, Bubby. What's up, guys? So I just joined a new gym and my first class was this morning. Good Lord. I'm used to doing Planet Fitness and where I just go in and do whatever I want to do, which is usually not that much. But I was in an hour-long class where I had to keep up with everybody. And it kicked my butt. And I was stupid, and before I even did the first class, I went ahead and joined up for 5 straight days. But my little treat that I get is every day after the gym, I get to go to the Whole Foods right next door and get some stuff. I can get something healthy and then something like fun. So for my healthy, I got artichoke salad. It's like 90 calories, really good. And for my fun, I got these dark chocolate quinoa crisps and some ube spread. And I'm gonna make like little Oreos out of those. I'm really excited about that. But yeah, I joined up for this gym because I've been doing pretty good with the working out and stuff. But I realized that like I always get better results when I'm in a group setting. So I joined up for this like program thing. But man, last night, that was one of the most stressful nights I've had in van life. Like because first off, I was driving all day to get where I am right now. And I checked iOverlander for like an hour because places would say, yeah, you can park here. And then you read down a couple comments. Oh no, I actually got stopped when I was here. I actually got the knock and I got told to leave. So I was reading and looking at places. I finally found one that seemed decent. I go there, I put my window covers up, and instantly I hear police sirens. And I look outside and there's like 5-6 police cars right next door to me, next to this other van that's parked next to me. So I'm not sure what was going on there. I saw them doing like a what's it called? Like an alcohol test. And then they ended up arresting the guy. So, but at that point I was so tired. I was like, dude, if they're gonna come like tell me to leave, come do it right now, because I'm going to sleep. And that's exactly what I did. I laid down right when they drove off. I laid down, went to sleep. There was a guy screaming. I thought it was a dog. He was like barking really loud. And then he would bark and then start cussing. And so yeah, last night was freaking weird, but it is what it is. I think I'm just gonna go to the beach and park and just chill at the beach for the day. Not a big, exciting day. I'm really just gonna chill and get some work done, some editing and stuff like that. We just got a dope parking spot. Let's go check it out. Alright, so I found incredible parking. I'm right next to the ocean. Like, you can't really see. But yeah, I'm right next to the ocean. I can literally watch people surf from where I am. I can park here until midnight, so it's only 2 p.m. right now. Right now, I need to actually clean my fridge because as I was bringing stuff into my fridge, I realized that there's a smell coming from the fridge. So something in there has gone bad. So I need to figure out what that is, take it out, clean it out, and yeah. Also, I saw ants. I think where I was parked at the gym today, there were ants. So I gotta take care of that. I've already sprayed like peppermint oil everywhere. But I gotta see if there's any more and get them out. So that's what we're doing right now. It's a beautiful day. I'm having a great day. I love being on the Pacific Coast. It's just my favorite place. And yeah, it's gonna be a beautiful day. So let's get to work.
Feels like we're doing a video far away from each other. That's weird.
You want me to just not speak?
No, I like when you talk. No, you're doing good. Thanks. If you think about it, Sally kind of, you know what I mean? And he's the funny
I was gonna
guy.
bulldoze him.
Yeah, don't do that.
I'm gonna try not to. I accept the challenge though. It's so slow.
Yeah, it's very cute. It's like a gentle.
All right, so I found the culprit. So I had some eggs that I guess crushed and the yolks fell to the bottom. And I think that's where the smell is coming from. So I gotta clean all that out. It's pretty gross.
Big eyed scat, please. It kind of looks like
blown glass, like a glass student.
I'm gonna go with sheep's head because it looks
White
Charles back goldfish. That's the most iconic fish.
I don't know.
Or the band, Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, Snowfish. Yeah, the production team here is despicable. I don't like what they did with this.
Finding characteristic. And it's uglier than it looked.
Oh, definitely. And it has kind of a medium mount too. It's kind of like a hybrid, which I don't like.
Yeah, I hate hybrids because they're sterile. I'm going king mackerel. It's awesome.
Yeah.
I love that these windows are so tinted. Like literally I can lay here and just like watch people surf and the people passing by can't see me. Like they literally cannot see me. It's pretty cool. But these are the same, like this is the same beach that I learned how to surf at like 6 years ago when I first moved out here. This is the exact same beach where I learned how to surf. And it's been forever. I need to brush up on my swimming and everything. I need to keep getting my endurance back up and all that. They can't see me, but I would love to come out here and surf again. I'm not sure if it's gonna happen this summer, but I would absolutely love to try. So that's a goal of mine. That's why I'm here, because this is the first area where I learned how to like hike, surf, all the things that I love to do. I learned how to do it here. This place means a lot to me, and this was the first place that I moved to when I left home and like ventured out on my own. So there's a lot of magic here for me. And this summer, I plan on grinding. I plan on grinding and achieving my goals. So there's nowhere else I'd rather be right now.